Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable low data mode on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Cellular Settings. Now, go to the Cellular Data Options section. Here, you will see the option for low data mode. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to low data mode to turn it off. When the switch turns gray, low data mode is disabled. And this is how you can disable low data mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.